Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's find the build number. It should be on the third position, as you can see, and keep tapping on it. I know it may be quite confusing, but it is important to actually activate the developer options. So let's keep tapping, and as you can see right now we are a developer. Now let's go back to the general settings, tap on the system and updates, and as you can see here we've got the developer options. Just a quick disclaimer, we've got a tutorial about the developer options, not only how to activate them but also how to customize them. So if you're curious and if you'd like to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. All we have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't have to actually manually update your device, but you will have to restart it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.